Greetings, it's demonstration time. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we have labels that's going to indicate the front of our fixture, so let's just go ahead and put that label directly in front of us. Then we're going to go through a two-part process. It's kind of a standard process, and we're going to go ahead and set the box into the fixture first, then we'll press it down and make our folds. So let's go ahead and take our box, we're going to go ahead and set it into the fixture, then we're just going to go ahead and simply press her down, make a couple of folds. And we have our completed box. Now what I'd like to go ahead and point out one other thing. So let's go ahead and again we're going to set it, we're going to press it. Now if you're finding that there's a little bit of a pinch point right here, that's because of these dust flaps, and we've got chamfered pillars to kind of help address that. It seemed to test out very well, but one thing you might want to consider before you make these folds, if you're getting that pinch point, is to just go ahead and give these a quick pre-break and then just go ahead and come on in and make your folds, and you have your completed box. Thanks again.